Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link your GitHub account to Upwork. This is a great way to showcase your coding projects and repositories directly on your Upwork profile, making it easier for potential clients to see your work and technical skills. First, open your web browser and head over to upwork.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your Upwork dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your freelancing profile. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for personalizing and managing your Upwork account. Once you're in the Account Settings area, direct your attention to the left panel. Here you'll see various menu options. Click on Profile Settings. This section is specifically designed for managing how your profile appears to clients and what information you choose to display publicly. Next, scroll down through the Profile Settings page until you locate the GitHub option. This might take a moment depending on how many integrations and settings you have, but keep scrolling and you'll find it. Once you spot it, click on it to begin the linking process. At this point, you may be prompted to sign in to your GitHub account. Go ahead and enter your credentials to proceed. This step verifies that you own the GitHub account you're about to connect, ensuring the integration is secure and legitimate. After signing in, you'll see a screen asking you to authorize Upwork Social. This authorization allows Upwork to access your public GitHub repositories and display them on your profile. Click Authorize Upwork Social to complete the connection, and that's it. Your GitHub account is now successfully linked to your Upwork profile, allowing clients to view your repositories and get a better sense of your coding capabilities and project experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.